Welcome to Ishta's Vlogs.
Hello everyone. Today I am back with 7 most healthy and easiest breakfast recipes for 7 days of a week.
If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. What are we waiting for? Let's go.
Now let's see the first breakfast of starting day of a week, which is very rich in fiber, and that is jawar roti. Let's see the easiest process. Into a bowl, I am adding finely chopped onions, grated cucumber, carrots, green chilies and coriander leaves. Mix them well. And I am adding half a cup of jawar flour, also known as jonna pindi in Telugu. Adding 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain seeds, Himalaya pink salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder to boost the immunity, 1/3 teaspoon of pepper powder for better absorption of turmeric. Mix them all for dough consistency. Add little water. Add water little by little. And this is how the batter should be. It shouldn't be too thick or too thin. It should be in a spreadable way. Use any cotton cloth or muslin cloth to spread the dough. Here I am using muslin cloth. Divide the dough and roll it with just little water. Spread the dough into round roti. Just wet cotton cloth and flatten the roti. Wet your fingers and spread into the round roti. I am just making holes in the center to spread oil evenly and for even cooking. Now put on the pan, carefully remove the wet cloth and close the lid. Drizzle some ghee or oil of your choice. Close the lid and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Flip it over, and after 2 minutes the roti is ready. The fiber rich, healthy jawar roti is ready. You don't need any side dish. You can enjoy with any homemade pickle of your choice. You can also have this for dinner. It tastes good with any non-veg curry. Let's see how to make an omelette sandwich. we need finely chopped onion, grated carrot. I have leftover broccoli, green chilies, coriander leaves, 2 eggs, butter, chili powder, Himalaya pink salt, pepper powder and 2 cheese slices. Into a pan, add butter, finely chopped onions, carrots, broccoli, sort them well, add green chilies and coriander leaves, sort them well. Now add chili powder, salt to taste, add the mixture into eggs bowl, add little salt, mix them well. Into a pan, add butter, and pour the batter. Spread it well. Close the lid and cook it well. Sprinkle little pepper. Once cooked, flip it. Again flip. Place cheese slices. Fold it. Toast them well on both sides. Our omelette sandwich is ready. Make it into 2 pieces and serve it. The most delicious omelette sandwich is ready. Another tasty breakfast, or you can have as a snack, that is American corn fritters. All you need is fresh or frozen sweet corn, onions, coriander, rice flour, 2 eggs, baking powder, Himalaya pink salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Into a jar, add sweet corns, onions, coriander leaves, cumin seeds, Himalaya pink salt, 2 tablespoons of rice flour and baking powder. Blend them all. Add remaining sweet corns into the mixture. I divided the mixture into 2 parts for making the dish with and without eggs. One with eggs and milk, little milk. This is without eggs for vegetarians. and this is with eggs and little milk. Heat oil in a non-stick pan. Drop a spoonful of mixture into the oil and flatten slightly. Close the lid and cook for 2 to 3 minutes each side. Cook until it turns golden brown color. These are the corn fritters without egg. Now corn fritters with egg and milk. Just drop a spoonful of mixture into a pan, and this will cook too fast than the veg corn fritters. Cook them until it turns golden brown color. Tasty American corn fritters are ready, with eggs and without eggs. Another healthy breakfast recipe. Let's see how to make ragi dosa. We need 1 cup of brown rice and 1 cup of urad dal and 2 cups of ragi or finger millets. Soak them for 6 to 8 hours and soak the brown rice and urad dal for 4 to 5 hours. After 6 hours, blend them and ferment the batter overnight. Now with this batter, prepare the dosa. Add little ghee or oil. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. The simple ragi dosa is ready. It tastes delicious with coconut chutney. Now let's get into one more healthy breakfast recipe. That is carrot chapati. First grind the carrots into fine paste. Now take the carrot paste into the bowl. And add 1 cup of wheat flour with little salt. Mix it well and make a soft dough. By adding little ghee, make a soft dough. Now divide the dough into equal parts and roll them with rolling pin. Dust some extra wheat flour while rolling. Heat the tawa and cook the rolled chapati for few seconds. Drizzle little oil or ghee along the sides of the chapati and cook them evenly. Healthy, flavorful and colorful chapatis are ready to enjoy. Hey, it's weekend. Let's make a special breakfast. And it's a beetroot pancake. This colorful pink pancake is an easy way to make kids to eat beetroot, and this pancake is soft and spongy inside, best served as special breakfast. All you need is one whole egg, banana, boiled beetroot, oats flour and baking powder. These are boiled beetroot. Just boil them with 1 glass of water. Next, blend all these together into a fine batter. Now the batter is ready. Heat a pan and drizzle some ghee or oil of your choice. Pour the batter into the pan. Cook in medium flame until it forms bubbles on the top. Carefully flip the beetroot pancake to the other side and cook for few seconds. Our colorful and most healthy special breakfast is ready. Serve beetroot pancake along with maple syrup and enjoy.
Let's enjoy this pancake. Hey, it's Sunday. I'm gonna enjoy my yummy breakfast. Now I'll show you how to make rainbow bread. First we need bread and M&M jumps. For extracting the colors, add warm milk into the bowls. Divide the same color jumps into the bowls. Now the colors are ready. Let's paint it on the bread. I enjoy doing this a lot. Heat it for 15 seconds in the oven. Yum yum rainbow bread is ready. I hope you all love it. Okay friends, my favorite breakfast is rainbow bread. What's your favorite breakfast? Write down below in the comments. Daddy, what's your favorite breakfast?
I like jawar roti and beetroot pancake the most.
Mama, what's your favorite breakfast?
My favorite is jawar roti and American cornflake toast. Friends, these are 7 healthy, tasty and easiest breakfast recipes for a week. Hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.
Bye bye. I'll see you in the next video.